how many airlines you know, and what are the new airlines, and how many times you visit here, Wings India?
This is my second time here, and like on talking about the airlines, I see multiple airlines here. Couple of new ones also, like Baltic. I think in India it's the first time, and apart from that, I like the Air India plane here, and that's the latest one, the Alpha Whiskey Alpha. That is the 787-9. Yeah, that's the, I think, first 787-9 custom built for Air India. So I look forward going inside also. Last time also it was pretty good. Like the 777X was first time here in India, but I think from Boeing side it's only the 737 Max and the 787-9 from Air India.
మన టెక్నాలజీ అప్డేట్ అవుతూ ఉంది, అడ్వాన్స్ టెక్నాలజీలోకి మనం స్టెప్ ఇన్ అవుతూ ఉన్నాం. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ విజన్ ఆర్ ఎనీ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్లైన్స్?
So I'll share an experience from my day so far. We came across the Whisk stall of Boeing. That is the newest venture. It's still not in India, but it is a company related to the electronic and eVTOL company. That is like vertical takeoff and landing. It's a drone based company. So that is pretty interesting, and I think India moving ahead, and with the traffic congestion and all, we can try out some new technology like that, where urban air transportation is made more easier for the people, and like people going from one place to another, or cross cities also, or mid cities also. Like we face a lot of traffic in Hyderabad itself. Like from going from one place to another, we have to take the outer ring road and all 1.5 hours of travel. So it can just come down to 5-10 minutes, and we should look forward to technology like that. And there are many drone stalls also which I want to explore, and maybe moving ahead, India can have many more of them.